Hello, hello. Quick question for you. Do you use your kitchen every day? Of course you do. Now imagine this. What if your kitchen could help you speak English every day without stress, without books, and without fear? Welcome to the English Beat. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to learn simple, real English using your daily kitchen routine. So relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Before we start, let me tell you something important. You do not need perfect grammar, a native accent, long study hours. What you need is daily English, just 10 to 15 minutes. Think of English like cooking. You don't become a good cook by watching one long video. You become better by cooking every day, even simple food. That's why today's lesson is special. We will use real-life English, the English you speak in your kitchen. And yes, you can repeat after me. You can pause the video. You can speak slowly. No pressure. No fear. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine it's morning. You walk into your kitchen. Repeat after me slowly. I am in the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Good. Now let's add daily actions. I am cooking. I am making breakfast. I am preparing food. Vocabulary tip. Cooking means making food. Preparing means getting ready. Pause the video and say, I am in my kitchen. I am cooking. Comment below. What do you usually cook? Now, look around your kitchen. You don't need to memorize, just notice. Repeat with me. This is a plate. This is a spoon. This is a cup. This is a pan. This is a knife. Let's make full sentences. I am holding a spoon. The pan is on the stove. The cup is on the table. Mini exercise. Look at one thing in your kitchen and say, this is a. Say it out loud. Yes, out loud. That's how confidence grows. Now, let's make something simple, a sandwich. Listen and repeat. First, I take the bread. Then I add butter. After it, I add vegetables. And finally, I make a sandwich. Great. Now try this pattern. First, I. Then I. Finally, I. Example. First, I wash my hands. Then I cook food. Finally, I eat. This is real spoken English. Native speakers use this every day. Here's a powerful secret. Fluent speakers talk to themselves in English. In the kitchen, say things like, I am hungry. This smells good. The food is ready. I need more salt. Say it slowly. Say it badly. Just say it. English is a skill, not a test. Engagement prompt. Try this today and comment. One English sentence you said in your kitchen. Let's quickly review important words from today. Kitchen, place where you cook. Cook, make food. Cut, use a knife. Boil, cook in hot water. Fry, cook in oil. Prepare, get ready. Say them with me one more time. Kitchen, cook, cut, boil, fry, prepare. Perfect. Recap. Today, you learned how to speak English using your daily kitchen routine. Use simple present continuous sentences. Name kitchen objects confidently. Talk to yourself in English. Practice English every day without stress. Remember, your life is your English classroom. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Comment one English sentence. Subscribe to the English Beat. New videos are coming to help you speak English confidently, slowly, and naturally. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking English every day.